Good evening. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, can you show us your language skills
Yes.
and spelling?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell us the time first? What time is it?
6:25
Is it AM or PM?
p.m.
Yes. Okay. Can you get the whiteboard marker? Can you write the words here? Spell the words that I will dictate. Oh, hold it properly. Christianism. The initial letter is capital, okay? Write well. Okay, go. Go, don't stop. Christianism. Not going up. Christianism. Christianism.
Sige.
It's okay. Christianism. 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 Bravo. Wait, Next word is Martian. Initial letter also is capital. Martian. Martian. You're doing well. You're doing well. Martian. Oh, another way of spelling shan. Martian. Martian. Like Christianism. Martian. Martian. Like in Christian. Martian. Continue. Continue. Good job. Next word is Asian. Initial letters capital also. Asian. 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 Good job. Mhm.
There's
Next
another
word.
A.
Yes. Next word is organism. All small letters. Organism. Not going up, huh? Go. Good job. Good job. You're doing well. You're doing well. Orga. Nism. Organism. How do you spell ism? Organism. Bravo, Joshua. Good job. Next word is orgasm. Small letters, all small letters also.
It's like
Orgasm.
organism.
Yeah, but it's orgasm. See? Yes. Orgasm. Asm, no? Orgasm. Orgasm.
This here.
This, what's that?
See?
See? What? What letter is that? Don't play, don't play. What letter is that? Tell us. What do you intend to write? No, no. What do you?
See?
Z? No. Orgasm. Like ism, oh. Like ism. What is this one is asm, not ism. Orgasm. 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 Similar to ism. Orgasm. Good job. Next word. All small letters are calcification. You're doing well. You're doing well. Calcification. Oh, another way of C. Calci. Another way. Writing C. Can you write this the L longer? Longer. Yeah, calcification. Fication. Calcification. Calcification. Bravo! Next is
It's longer.
yes, long. It's a long word. Exploitation. Start from here. Start from here, so they will fit.
What
Ex-
Robin said?
Yes, in the movie, Pooh movie, no?
What movie?
Okay, later. We'll talk about it later. We're recording it. Exploitation. 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 If you want to stand up, you can stand up. Exploitation. 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 Oh, another way of writing Sean. Exploitation. Continue. Exploitation. Continue. You're recording it. Sean. Exploitation. Good job. Next word.
It's longer.
Yeah, this is a long word. Erythropoiesis. Erythropoiesis. Okay, continue.
Blood.
Yeah, it means the production of red blood cells. Because we're recording it. Erythropoiesis. Erythropoiesis. Oh, another way.
Boy.
Okay, you try. Erythropoiesis. 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 Not going up. Erythropoiesis. 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 You're doing well. Continue. Poiesis. Erythropoiesis. Poiesis. Bravissimo.
It's like that.
Yeah, next time fix it, huh? Our next word is psoriasis with a P. How will you write it if it starts with the letter P? Psoriasis. Good. Psoriasis. 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 Bravissimo! Good job! Next word is pneumonia with the P. With the P. Yeah, the infection of the lungs. We'll talk about the pneumonia later because we're recording it, okay? Okay. Pneumonia. With the P. P. Yes. Pneumonia. Fix it.
It's like our.
Oh yeah, fix it. Fix it. Fix it. The other people will not understand. There. Oh, do not play. Do not play. Do not play. Don't distract yourself. Pneumonia. Pneumonia.
It's you.
Okay. New.
Okay.
Don't last. Don't do that. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. You're doing well. Keep it up. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. Oh. Not,
E16.
not the E. Not E. Pneumonia. Nia. Nia. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. Good job. It means the infection of the lungs, okay? Next word.
It's a person.
Yes, yes, but later. We'll talk about it later, okay? Ptarmigan, the bird. With the P also. Yeah, with the P also. How will you write it with a P if it starts with a P? Ptarmigan. 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 Continue. Ptarmigan. Continue. Good job. You're doing well. Ptarmigan. Ptarmigan. Continue. Don't stop. Good job. Bravo, Joshua. Ptarmigan. Don't stop. We're recording it. We're doing a video. Good job. Ptarmigan. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. We'll play later. Ptarmigan. Ptarmigan. You're doing well. You're doing well. Yes, you're doing well. Come on. Finish the word. So we... Okay, good job. Ptarmigan. Next word. Eyesight. Do you remember how to write eye? Okay. We'll do it. Go. Eye and then sight. Eyesight. Eye. Okay. Good job. Eyesight. Sight. 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 Eyesight. Don't distract yourself, Joshua. Don't distract yourself. You're doing well. Eyesight. You're doing well, Joshua. It's okay. We will put medicine later. Eyesight. A little nearer. There. Good job, Joshua.
This is
Yes.
shorter.
Yeah, shorter word. Next word. Celestial. Celestial. Yes, good job. Soft C, no? Celestial. Celestial. Continue. Celestial. Mm. There's S, no? Good job. Continue. Celestial. Celestial. Continue. Don't stop. Good job. Good job. Finish it. Finish the word. So you're faster. Celestial. Continue. Finish the word. Thank you. Next word is artificial.
Not real.
Yeah, not real means not real. Speak.
You see in the
Yes, wait.
green field.
Oh yes, yes. We'll talk about it. Okay. Love you. Love you. Okay. Artificial because we're recording it. We're recording your. We're recording a video. Artificial. 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 You're doing well. Don't dwell on it. Come on. Next syllable. Artificial. Good job, Joshua. Artificial. Artificial. You're doing well. You're doing great. Good job, Lumpy. Artificial. Don't stop. Don't distract yourself. Artificial. Oh, another way of writing shall. Another way. Artificial. Oh, another way. Okay, continue. Good job. Artificial. Artificial. Bravo. Next word. We sell. You know? We sell. Okay, come on. We sell. Bravo. We sell. Bravissimo. Yes.
This is shorter than.
Yes. Oh, next is waffle. Waffle. Yeah, the food stuff. Auntie Bonnet bought you. Okay. Waffle. Waffle. Waff and then fall. Waffle. Waffle. Good job. Double F.